All right, so now we are going to review volume of prisms. Volume of prisms. So again, it is going to be volume is your base times your height, where B is the area of base. Notice how the formula is not changing. And H is your height. The reason that we use this formula is because, again, it doesn't change. You don't have to remember all these formulas. You just have to remember the area of a triangle, of a rectangle, of a circle, okay? So the biggest ones that we are going to see would be a rectangular prism. So you start with a square. I'm going to have you start at the top two corners and draw diagonal straight lines to the left. Start at the bottom left angle and draw a straight diagonal to the left. Connect them all. If it's not perfect, mine isn't either. Don't worry about it. So remember, this is length, this is width, and this is height. So if we are talking about base times height, we are saying that is the width times the length, or length times width, it doesn't really matter, times the height. All right? The one that gets a little wonky is a triangular prism. So this is a rectangular prism. Now we're going to do a triangular prism. So again, this one's going to be the one where it's like, do the best you can. So we're going to start with triangle, straight line left, connect them. Dotted line down, straight line, connect it. And then we're going to connect here. Again, it's not perfect. It's not going to be perfect. We do what we can. It is what it is. All right? Now, couple things here. One, remember when we're talking about triangles, the height is there for the triangle. The height of the triangle is there. Okay? We are talking about this as the base. And then this right here is the height of 3D shape. So this is just a 2D shape, and that's its height. This is the height of the 3D shape. This is why this one's a little bit harder for people. All right? So again, we are going to still start with base times height. Does anybody remember, though, what the area of a triangle is? 1/2 times the base times the height, and then this is going to be times the height again. So again, this right here is the 2D triangle. This right here is the height of the 3D shape. Okay? And we will do examples of these to help you out. I promise I will not leave you hanging. I got you. All right? So let's do some examples. Let's start with the easier one. Let's start with rectangular prisms. All right? Let's start with rectangular prisms.